So now let's move on to the application and the admissions process. And probably the best place to start with that is to get a sense that Cornell's undergraduate admissions process operates in a decentralized structure. If you apply to Cornell for engineering, you're really going to be dealing with two specific offices. One is at the university level, the undergraduate admissions office. They will do marketing functions for the university for admissions. They will also collect your application. So when you click the submit button, your application is going to move from either the Universal College application or the Common application to Cornell University's undergraduate admissions office. They'll collect a full application of admission for you, and then once that's ready, it's delivered to the second office that you'll be working with at Cornell, and that's the engineering admissions office. Our role is to select the class of first-year engineers that will enter the College of Engineering each fall. So the admissions decision will be made in the College of Engineering by our engineering admissions committees. Last year, the Engineering Admissions Office reviewed 13,000 applications. Our goal was to bring in a class of 750 first-year engineers. There are really two ways to apply to Cornell for engineering. The first is through our early decision program, and the second is through our regular decision program. If you apply early decision, we're going to ask you to have your application submitted by the early decision deadline, which is November 1st. We'll let you know what the outcome of the review is, typically in mid-December, between December 12th and 15th, and then you will have until mid-January, January 15th or 16th, to let us know whether or not you're going to attend Cornell. The one caveat for that early decision contractual agreement is financial aid. If you're applying for financial aid and Cornell does not make you a financial aid offer you can reasonably meet as a family, you can opt out of that early decision agreement and pursue other schools via the regular decision process. And you have to be aware of that one caveat or parachute clause. Other than that, if we offer you admission via early decision, our sense is that you're going to enroll at Cornell and pursue your engineering degree here. We build the foundation to our engineering class in the early decision process. Typically, we'll admit anywhere from 45 to 60% of the total incoming first-year class via the early decision process. For last year's early decision pool, the admit rate was about 28%, and 60% of the total class entered the College of Engineering via the early decision process. You have to be aware if you're applying early decision that you're making a commitment to attend Cornell if you're offered admission, and that's the piece you really have to think carefully about. If at the end of the day, when you've done all of your research and you've thought carefully about it and you've talked to your parents, your advisors about the idea of applying early decision, if you decide that this is the place where you'd like to attend college to get your engineering degree, then early decision is probably the right way to go for you. If you can't definitively say that, then I would urge you not to apply early decision at Cornell. The other mechanism to apply to the College of Engineering is via our regular decision process. Regular decision, the deadline for that is January 1st or 2nd annually. You will receive notification of the admissions decision on the Common Ivy notification date, which is at the end of March each year. And then you have April to really think about whether or not you'd like to enroll in the College of Engineering with a May 1 deposit deadline, which would indicate, again, that you plan to enroll in the College of Engineering at Cornell. Regular decision is non-binding. You can apply to as many colleges or schools as you'd like to via regular decision. And then once you're offered admission, you can think about which of the schools that you're offered admission to is ultimately the one that you would like to attend. The bulk of our class will apply our regular decision. The admit rate for regular decision is around 9%. When we put early decision and regular decision together, our goal is to enroll a class of 750 first-year engineers to enter the College of Engineering each fall.